Hi, just a short one. I've been spending quite a bit of time in astrology groups and forums recently online, particularly on Facebook, and I've noticed a worrying trend for people to completely misunderstand what a birth chart actually is. So when we talk about a birth chart, what we're actually talking about is the full wheel of the horoscope. We're talking about something that looks like this. Yeah, you have the wheel of the horoscope. It's split into 12 sections, your 12 houses. You have your ascendant, you have your descendant, and you have the planetary placements in each house. And you also see the aspect lines between the planetary placements to show if there is harmonious or unharmonious energy interacting between those planets. However, what I see online every day at the moment is people posting screenshots from a website called Cafe Astrology or Astrology Cafe. I'm not sure which one because it's not a great website, so it's not one I would use. People posting something like this. This is a list of planetary placements, but people are posting this and calling it their birth chart and saying, "What do you think of my birth chart, guys?" It's not a birth chart. Sorry, it's not a birth chart. It's a list of planetary placements of planets in signs. So Sun is in Aries, Moon is in Pisces, Venus is in Aquarius, and so on. If you treat that list of planetary placements as your birth chart, the best you are ever going to get out of interpretation is like pieces of a jigsaw puzzle. Oh, I've got Mars in Aries, so I'm a really fiery, passionate lover. Oh, I've got Moon in Pisces, so I'm dreamy and lost in another world and struggle to express myself and lay down boundaries at times with others. How does that make sense? In one way, you're fiery and passionate and aggressive, and then in another way, you really struggle to stand up for yourself and you're lost in a dream world. When you look at a whole birth chart and you analyze it, like I do, this is what a birth chart looks like when I've been working on it, then you can really see how the energies of those planets in different signs and in different houses interact together holistically to create the complete person with a multifaceted, kaleidoscopic wonder of complexities that everybody is. But a list of planets in signs, not a birth chart, just a list of planets in signs. And sure, you can go and learn about your Venus in Leo and your Mercury in Virgo and your Jupiter in Sagittarius, and you can have lots of fun finding memes about this online, and you can do this kind of piecemeal approach of I understand this little part of me and this little part of me. You know, my Mercury in Virgo tells me that I communicate in a very meticulous way, and I speak a little bit like a school teacher. Oh, and my Venus in Leo shows that, you know, I love compliments and being adored and I like to be the center of attention. Okay, those things may be true. But this kind of piecemeal jigsaw puzzle approach of listing planets in signs or listing planets in houses does not paint a picture of a whole personality. So please, let's not call a list or a table of planets in signs a birth chart. A birth chart is the whole horoscope, the map of the sky at the moment that you were born, from the line of the horizon and where the sun was rising and where the sun was setting and everything that was underneath and out of view underneath the planet, everything in the northern and the southern hemispheres. That is your birth chart, your horoscope.